In this lecture, we are going to see about the offset of the wall, which is very important, and we are going to use this in our upcoming lectures. So first of all, what we are going to do is here is that I will go and select it like this, okay, and delete these elements here. After that, I will again go to wall tool, and here I will just simply draw a wall from something like this. You can see just like this one, okay, and then again I will click here, and after that I will draw a wall here as well, okay. So now let's say that you want to offset this wall. So first of all, you need to escape, and right now we are at the arrow tool here. So you need to select this wall, okay. Now let's say you want to offset this wall. So if you go ahead and click on this one, now you can see that right now we are not getting the option of offset, okay. So in that case, what you have to do, let's press escape, and you have to select both the walls in order to get that option. So for that, if you want to select this one, you just simply need to shift and select. So as you can see here that I have selected both the walls, and right now if you look at the color, it is of green color. Now what you have to do next here is that you have to select at these edges, just simply do a left click, and now you are getting option of the offset at edges. So if you go ahead with this option, offset edge, you can actually just enter the value at what distance you want this offset. So let's enter 1500. Let's click on D. Okay, let's offset this one by 1500. Okay, and now what I'm going to do next is, let's say again I will, as you can see here, this is selected. I will simply go and click here, and this time I can also offset this whole wall. As you can see here, you can offset this whole wall, and if you press D, you can actually change this distance. So what I will do is I'm going to offset this one by, let's make this 1000. Okay, so as you can see, the distance is selected as 1. I'm going to make this 1. Okay, so let's select here. Okay, so now as you can see here that we have offsetted this wall by something like that. So you need to keep this thing in mind, that whenever you are doing the offset, you just need to make sure that both of these walls are selected.